Scrap gardening adventure. Beautiful basil. What did the big flower say to the little flower? You're really growing, bud. Hey everyone, it's Jennifer and I'm back with another scrap gardening adventure. Today we're gonna play with growing basil from basil. This basil I got from a grocery store, and look, I have basil that's now planted in a pot. I have some right next to me. I'll show you pictures that I planted in a big pot for outdoors. And the big word for this is called propagation. Propagation is when you take a plant cutting and you grow more plants from it. And maybe you grow enough to share with your friends, your family, the people you love. I don't know. You can have a lot of fun with this. So I hope you enjoy this process, and grab your notebook. Maybe you can draw some pictures of what basil looks like from the start to the pot. Have fun. To begin, you need some basil. You want to take off all the extra leaves from the bottom of the stem and stick it in water. That's it. Stick it in water, and then you wait, and you wait some more, and you watch a little bit, and you wait some more. I added some lemon balm to mine to make it pretty. After about a week, you get some beginning roots, and after a few more days, you get even more roots. 2 weeks later, look at all these roots. Your basil is ready to plant. You'll need some potting soil, water, a pot to put your basil in, and your basil. Once you put the potting soil in, you can use a plastic spoon or your finger to dig a hole to put the roots in. Once your roots are in there, cover them up with the potting soil. I had to put a little more dirt in mine. And then give them a really good drink. They're going to really need that water. I planted 4 plants all together, and 3 of them are doing really well. One of them didn't make it because I think the roots were not ready yet. So let your plant get some really good roots. And that's all you need for beautiful basil. Wasn't that so amazing? Why don't you get a basil cutting, maybe get a water bottle or a little jar, stick it in the water and watch it grow roots. If you want to, send me pictures and show me how it's going. Have a great summer, and next time we're going to talk about growing lettuce from lettuce. Oh my goodness. Oh, and I have to show you potato progress. So I'll see you soon. Bye.